Welcome to Tech Tips, an instructional video series for Branford Yacht Club members. On this episode of Tech Tips, we'll explore how to use the new online scheduling system to schedule a haul and launch appointment for your vessels. This process will only take a few minutes, but feel free to pause or rewind this video so you can follow along and complete the process as we go. Now let's get started. To begin, open your browser and head over to the Branford Yacht Club website at branfordyc.org. Once there, be sure you are logged in by clicking on the member login link on the top right corner of any page and enter your email address and password. If you're using a mobile device, you can find the member login link in the main menu at the top of your screen. Once you've logged in, click on the My Account link. Again, this can be found on the top right corner of any page if you're on a desktop or laptop computer, or in the main menu at the top of the screen on mobile devices. When you arrive at the My Account page, you will see various tiles containing your information. The tile we are interested in for this episode is My Vessels. In this tile, you will see a list of your vessels that are currently registered on file with the club. To start this process, click on the Manage link on the top right of the My Vessels tile. This link will take you to a My Vessels page, which will list all the details for your vessels. Please confirm that the information shown is correct. If anything doesn't look correct, you should update it prior to scheduling your haul or launch appointment. You can do that by clicking on the Edit This Vessel button, updating your information, and clicking on the Save button. If the vessel you're trying to schedule is not listed in your account at all, please contact the secretary to get it added. If your information is correct, click the Schedule Haul Launch for this vessel button. If you have multiple vessels listed, it is very important that you are selecting the correct vessel for the appointment you are scheduling. This system provides information to the haul and launch team about the vessel that helps them come up with the sequence and schedule for the day. If we've hauled or launched this vessel before, it also will provide the team with a diagram which helps them safely position your vessel on the travel lift or hydraulic trailer. Once you have selected your vessel and clicked on the Schedule button, you will see a list of upcoming haul or launch dates. You can see the start and end time and the high tide time for your reference, as well as the number of appointments we can accommodate on that date, how many appointments have already been scheduled, and how many are still available. If there are available appointments remaining, you will see a button to allow you to select an appointment for that date. Once you select a date, you will reach a confirmation page. We ask that you take a moment to review the information at the top of the screen and make sure your vessel information and desired appointment date are correct. The middle section of this confirmation page provides you with a status of your required member documents. As a reminder, a current vessel registration and insurance declaration must be on file at all times, and a winter storage agreement is required prior to hauling, while a marina agreement is required prior to launching. If you have any documents that aren't on file or are not current, you will see an X icon with a message asking you to update these documents prior to your scheduled appointment date. You can upload current documents right in your My Account page on the website or provide a paper copy to the secretary. The last section of this page provides terms and conditions that you must read and acknowledge by checking the I agree box and clicking on the Agree and Continue button. When you do, you will see a quick message that your appointment was scheduled successfully, and you'll be directed back to the My Vessels page. If you need to change or cancel your appointment for any reason, you can do so by clicking on the Schedule Haul Launch button again, which will display a confirmation of your scheduled appointment, and you can click the Cancel Appointment button and click the OK button in the pop-up to confirm. This will clear out your appointment from the system and take you back to the My Vessels page to schedule a new appointment. And that's it. If you have any questions or need help completing this process, you can email technology@branfordyc.org or contact a member of the Technology Committee. Be sure to subscribe to the Branford Yacht Club YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos. Thanks for watching this episode of Tech Tips.